Hi, Addie here from Prime Publishing, and we're in our brand new kitchen. Today I'm going to saute peaches in this beautiful La Cuisine cast iron skillet, and we're going to serve it over vanilla ice cream. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get our butter hot in the skillet. What I love about this skillet is that it's very light, and so you're able to sort of move it around and watch the butter as it goes left to right, and so you can coat your entire pan before you put your peaches in. You can see our butter is sizzling hot. It's about to brown, which is a good thing. It just adds flavor. We're going to put all of our peaches in. I used 4 peaches. We're going to add in a little lemon juice, just 1 lemon, squeeze it right in. Quarter cup of wine, and about a half cup of sugar. Our peaches are beautifully cooked. They're a nice golden brown. You'll see the syrup is sort of this thick coating. It's going to be delicious on ice cream. So I've scooped out my ice cream here. I'm going to add a few peaches on top. My goodness. And then because this pan is so light, I can lift it up and just let the syrup sort of drip right in. And that acts as sort of my caramel sauce. Delicious. Be sure to check out all of the videos in this series to make an entire dinner for your friends or family. We start with roasted potatoes, then chicken fricassee, and of course this delicious peach ice cream dessert. Thanks so much. Bye.